Hey YouTube, welcome to the part 2 of USS Enterprise NCC-1701-B unboxing part 2. And now I'm just going to show you what the ship looks like from its stand. And it looks beautiful. And I was expecting it to come tomorrow. And I was like, oh, it's going to come tomorrow, I have to wait another day. But actually, it came like an hour ago. And I was like, oh really? And I missed it because, of course, I was playing my Xbox and headphones in and didn't really hear the doorbell go, so luckily my next door neighbour got it to save it. Right, let's have a look at the lights and sounds.
I'm Captain John Harriman. It wouldn't be the Enterprise without a Sulu at the helm. Captain Kirk, I'd be honored if you'd give the order to get underway. Take us out.
I've been pressed a lot at the top of here, so...
We're picking up a distress call, Captain. Helm, lay in an intercept course and engage at maximum warp. Risk is part of the game. You want to sit in that chair. Activate main deflector. Damage report, Ensign. I'm Captain John Harriman.
Well, that's all the lights and sounds for the USS Enterprise B. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.